Hey everyone, welcome to West Coast Muscle Saws. Looking at a very vintage muscle saw. That's the Husqvarna 298 XP. That was made in the 80s. I actually sold this one brand new to one of my customers. It's got the V-stack on it, foam filter. It's got a 404 chain. It's a very well used 404 chain, so you're not going to see a bunch of really fast cutting. If this was to be a real high performance saw, we'd slip a 3/8 pitch, 8-tooth dry sprocket on there with one of those Sylvia razor grinds, and you'd see some unbelievable cutting. The difference on a 298 and a 2100, the 298 was conceived to try to move some of their saws. They were getting ready to phase out the 2100, and so what they did was put a smaller capacity oil and gas reservoir, eliminated the manual pump, got a lighter flywheel, changed the RPMs to where it really peaked out more. And that was all done just try to move out some of these saws so they could sell them for landing saws or for firewood cutting. This one's been a firewood cutter all its life. If you never heard one of these 298s or 2100s sit there and idle, they got a certain pop, pop, pop. They're just a very, very powerful saw. One of the very best West Coast muscle saws. I'll start that up and we'll let it idle a little bit, and then we'll make a cut.
Right.